Fact number 1. Bulbul bird is an intelligent bird also known as Indian nightingale for their beautiful song. Fact number 2. Bird's body is brown color, head is black. The head has a black crown, throat with white collar and white streaks on the wings. Fact number 3. Bulbul symbolize wealth and prestige. They are kept as a pet in part of Asia for their beautiful singing ability. Fact number 4. Some species of bulbul are known to mimic the call of other birds, and it is thought that they may be able to learn to imitate human speech. Fact number 5. There are about 130 species of bulbul. Red-vented bulbul has red area under their tails, and male red-vented bulbul are larger in size than female bulbul. Fact number 6. Bulbul eat fruits, berries and figs. Also they consume leaves, flowers, pollen, nectar and insects. Fact number 7. It takes 2 months for their chicks to grow into fully grown birds. They usually feed their baby squashed figs and berries. Fact number 8. The nest of the bulbul families may be used by multiple generations because they repair and reuse the nest. Fact number 9. Bulbul birds are native to Asia, Africa and Oceania, and bulbul family is distributed across most of Africa and into the Middle East, tropical Asia to Indonesia and north as far as Japan. Fact number 10. The word bulbul is a Hindi word and they are known for their unique song. Their lifespan is up to 11 years. Thanks for watching.